3 minutes ago, I got an email from Binance that I received a payment of 20 USDT. And I went to my Binance account to verify, and the payment was successful. So in today's video, we are going to talk about this particular update, which have been giving me a lot of USDT recently for months that I've been using it. And this particular update have also helped most of my downlines, which maybe most of you guys watching this video now are also earning from it, or maybe you have seen it, you have not earned from it. Or what I need you to do in this video now is to take your time to watch this video attentively to see what I'm talking about. This particular update is something that you don't need to miss in this 223. If you are good with me and if you like this kind of video, do well to like this video, drop a like on this video, because this is my channel where I make videos about things that have worked for me. That means if it's worked for me, it can also work for you. So if you like this kind of a video, do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on notification so that you get notified anytime when I drop any legit video just like this. And if you are good with me and you have subscribed to the channel and then turn on notification, then drop a like on the video. Once you are done that, let's dive into the main video of the day. Just like I say, the update I'm talking about is this particular update, which have been giving me, as you can see, the last withdrawal I made, which was the one I showed you guys just now, is 20 USDT. And remember, they take out 1 USDT per each withdrawal that you want to make. So any withdrawal that you made, they're gonna take out 1 USDT as charges, just like Binance. So as you can see, I've been withdrawing from this particular update on and on, 247, almost every day. Once in a while, I keep on earning from this particular update. For a couple of months now, I've been withdrawing from it. So this is not a Ponzi or something that is new or about to run away with people's money. And just like I normally told you guys, this is not just something that I'm doing or some people are doing. This is one thing that also all these your famous comedians and influencers are doing. Just like Mr. Phone, as you can see, this is not a fake Instagram account. This is Sabino's Instagram account, which all of us knows as the one of the best comedians trending in Nigeria now. Look at what they have to say about this particular update.
Okay guys, data mining is a company that helps you get income and cash.
Well, let me not play the whole video so that I will not get copyright claim or strike on my video, but in the pinned comment of this video, you will see a lot of comedians and big superstars approving and recommending AI mining to their downlines. So if you're kind of someone that is watching this video today and you're not making money with AI mining, I think you are lagging behind on something that is not about to eat your money. So watch this video attentively so that you understand how this thing works and everything about it, and how much I've made it so far, and how much you can earn depending on what you need, on what you have to do on it. And this is the update I'm talking about. So this is the AI mining, and this is what it will look once you're done signing up with the link in the description. It's gonna look like this. Apart from your today's personal income, it's not gonna be showing anything. So what you have to do is to follow the link in the description after watching this video to sign up to AI mining, and make sure you use your WhatsApp account, WhatsApp phone number. And AI mining is global, as everybody anywhere can use AI mining. So if you go over to my section here, you see that I have so far so good. I've made $294.22 and still counting on this particular update. And so if you look over my available balance here, you see that I'm currently having $77 here, $77.42 here. So I'm gonna explain to you, in case if you are a novice and you don't really know how this platform works, while I'm gonna show you guys everything about it. So if you follow the link in the description to sign up to AI mining, the first thing you have to do after signing up and logging into your account, click on this place, this finger icon here, click on it, and it's gonna take you over to the free miner, where you have to buy it at the discount price of $0, $0. That is what Sabine is talking about. For 10 days, you are gonna be earning 0.25 cents every day for 10 days from this particular platform without spending any dime. That is the free version of it, but that is not the main thing. So once you're done with it, once you're done buying it, go ahead to your miner warehouse like this, and you will see it on non-activated, just like you see your other miners here on non-activated. Then you see it on non-activated. To activate it instantly, you don't need any money to activate it. So once you're done with it, next thing you have to do is to go ahead to know the next plans of the platform. Since you have trusted the platform and you want to make money just like the way I'm earning, as you can see, I've showed you guys my withdrawal proofs. So this video is for the people that are new to AI mining, and for those of you that are not new to AI mining. Remember, I'm running a giveaway on this particular video. Watch this video attentively for you to see when I will announce about the giveaway. For those of you that know my giveaway on my AI mining, you can still participate on it. It's still going on. So if you follow the link in the description and sign up and every other thing in between, as you can see, this is what I've earned so far, $297 without doing anything. All I have to do is to set up my account and the money starts making itself. So next thing you have to do is to go ahead to make sure that you select the plan that you need to do. So go over to this place that is wrote miner center, click on more, this little more that is showing over here, click on it. It will take you to the miners over here. As you can see, this particular one, this first miner is gonna cost you, the price is $1, but it's gonna cost you $20, that is 20 USDT for you to activate it. So you have to have at least 21 USDT on your account for you to activate it. So you need to deposit. So you also have this second miner 2, which is the one that I'm actually using, miner 2. Look at it over here. So if you click on buy over here, you see it costs you $3 and it costs you $7 to activate it, giving you 1.7 USDT every day. 1.17 USDT every single day. And after 20 days, that your capital, that your 67 USDT is gonna come back to your account. And the same thing goes to the rest of the other miners. And if you go over to this part of my place now, you see that I'm currently having $77 here, which means my miner, my 67 USDT that I used to activate my previous miner, that is my level 2 miner, return to my account. That gives me, I used to have $10.42 here, but after 20 days, today marks it to 20 days, few minutes ago marks it 20 days, that is 20 days that I activated the account, and the miner have expired and it came back, the activation money came back to my account. So that is a win-win game for me. So let's assume that you want to deposit. How do you deposit? Go over to your home page over here and click on this place that says deposit. You can use Naira to deposit, that is, you can use bank transfer. You can use bank transfer to deposit. You can use cryptocurrency to deposit. So if you want to activate the first miner, you need to deposit 21 USDT. If you want to activate the second miner, you need to deposit 70 USDT total. But maybe if you have if you have money in your balance, maybe you are one of the people that have been using the free miner and it are giving you around maybe $1 or more since you have started using it, just make sure that you complete your account 21 USDT or 70 USDT depending on the miner that you want to buy. So once you're done entering the amount that you want to deposit, 21 USDT, let's assume that it's 21 USDT, you can select. If you don't have cryptocurrency or you don't have enough cryptocurrency, you can use bank transfer. Click on bank transfer, click on confirm. They're gonna give you a bank wallet address, a bank account where you will use your bank app to deposit money into it. So once you're done depositing money into it, the next thing you have to do is to go ahead and confirm it. Once you don't confirm it, go back to your account, it will reflect on your account. The same thing goes for TRC20 using USDT to deposit. So once you're done using USDT to deposit, I'm not gonna initiate any deposit here because it's gonna hurt my account, because I don't want to deposit any money. Once you deposit it, screenshot it after the deposit have gone. Screenshot it and come back there. You see where they ask you to put your the screenshot, and after you're done putting the screenshot, go back to your account. The money is gonna reflect to your account. Then go ahead to your miner center and buy the miner of your choice. Buy it, click on this place. As for me, I'm using miner number 2. So buy any miner of your choice and use the remaining money to activate it. So if you go over to my miner warehouse now, you see that I'm currently having miner level 2, miner level 1, around miner level 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 miner level 1. So I'm going to activate this miner level 2 now. If I click on this place that says activation now, you see that I have activated it successfully. And if you go over to my activated miner now, you see that I just started this particular one. It's going to expire 20 days from now. Today is 21st February, so in 20 days from now, that is next month, I'm gonna withdraw it. This my 67 USDT is gonna come back to my account again. If you go over to my suspended miner, you see that I have around 3 miners here suspended. Okay, 4 miners here suspended already. That means you are in charge of your money. You can still suspend your miner anytime, any day. So if you go over to my account now, you see that I'm now having $10.42. And if I want to withdraw my whole money, all I have to do is to go over to my miner warehouse, go over to my activated miner here, and click on suspension. You can see I have successfully suspended it, and if I go back to my account now, you see that the money have come back to my account. I can easily choose to withdraw it or still reinvest it. So for me, I'm not withdrawing it, I'm reinvesting it. I'm using it to activate a miner. So if I click on this place that says activated here, you see that I don't have any activated miner. If I click on suspended here, you see this miner that I just suspended is now with the list of the miner that I suspended before. So all I have to do is to activate it back, and it will take out the $67 from my account again and activate my miner for me. Miner income, activated miner is this particular one here, and it has not given me any single USDT. After today's now, it's gonna give me around $1.17 instantly. So if you go back to my account now, you see that I'm now having $10 on my account again. I don't want to withdraw it because I want it to reach around 20 USDT again, just like you saw me withdrawing 20 USDT. I want it to reach around 21 USDT to 20 USDT before I can initiate another withdrawal. So I just showed you guys how to do it. And if you want to withdraw, just go back to your home page here and click on withdrawal. It's gonna show you the amount that you have. Minimum withdrawal is $4, and they're gonna charge you $1 per any withdrawal. So you can't just, for me, as I'm having $10 here, I have to do now is to enter $10 here and select my withdrawal address. You can only withdraw from cryptocurrency. So go over to don't worry, the customer service is gonna lead you through on how to add your wallet address, but let me show you guys. Click on my wallet here and then add your wallet address. The customer service is gonna show you guys how to do it. So once I'm done doing it, go ahead and withdraw your money. So I think I've shown you guys the whole thing you need to know about it. Withdrawal takes $1 as charge, and also you can refer people. There is good in referrals. As you can see, I've referred 924 people here, although not all of them activated their miner. I think even 10% of them have not activated their miner. If not, I will be making money, big money from them, but that's okay. My miner is going on, and the people that are seriously making money from AI mining are also giving me some revenue. You'll be getting 14% of whatever your downlines is earning, your first downline is earning daily. I think the rest one, the thing goes down and goes down and goes down. So that is it. I think I've showed you guys what to know about AI mining. And for my giveaway, the giveaway is that all these miners that is here, I got it for free for referring anybody, and I want to give back to the community. So if you, instead of you depositing 21 USDT to activate your miner, deposit 20 USDT, and I will give you this $1 miner for free. Just come to WhatsApp, come to my chat, come to me on WhatsApp and tell me to give you this particular miner. And mind you, you need to show me that you have 20 USDT on your account before I will give away this miner to you. I have given away some miners to people, and there is testimony for that. I've given out, I think, 3 miners to people that are serious about it. So the stock is still available. 1, 2, 3, 4, around 4 miners is still available for anybody that wants to activate it. So I hope you guys got value from this particular video. See you guys on my next video. Bye.